Hey friends, in my quest to find really good acrylic markers at a great price, I just got a set of 48 Ohuhu markers from Ohuhu. I've used these markers before and they are wonderful. The best part about this set is that you get 3 black markers and 3 white markers, which are my most used markers. They work on multiple surfaces, each has a beautiful brush tip, and there's no pumping needed to get them going. They're also paper friendly. Look at all of these beautiful colors, and the casing is really nice too. Since it's the season of love, I wanted to make something everyone can make and use, so today we're making Valentine's Day washi tapes with masking tape. This is a project both kids and adults can do together, and you can use them anytime you want. You'll need some masking tape and some packing tape, and both of these you can get at any dollar or discount store. Cover a sheet of copy paper with the packing tape, overlapping the edges slightly. I got a few wrinkles, but it doesn't matter. Just get them as flat as you can, and you can smash down the wrinkles so they're flat. Next, you want to tape down rows of masking tape, but don't overlap these edges. You want a little space between each row of tape. Now the fun part. We get to draw our patterns on the tape with these amazing Ohuhu markers. To start, I'm coloring this piece in light pink. Next, I'm adding darker pink hearts and then white hearts. With black, I'll add some smaller hearts, but don't fill them in. Outline the other hearts, but don't worry about being perfect. Now on the edge, draw a scallop. On to the next pattern. Here I'm drawing large pink hearts on a white background. Now I'm embellishing with red twigs, berries, and leaves. I happen to think light blue is a terrific Valentine's Day color, so I'm adding big pink hearts and outlining them with red. A little white for some highlights and a stitched edge, and I'm ready for another row. Okay, let's take a tiny break from the washi tape because I want to show you how these markers work on other surfaces. I've cut some hearts out of a soda can. I have a wooden heart and an empty chocolate box made of glossy cardboard. This is just an experiment so that you know how versatile these markers are. There you go, now back to the washi tape. These tapes will look terrific on your Valentine envelopes, or to surround an address on an envelope. You could even use them to make a Valentine. Now all you have to do is cut them out, and you can use them anytime you want. Just peel the decorative washi tape off of the packing tape backing. So easy. I'm going to leave a link to the Ohuhu set of 48 markers from Ohuhu in the description below. You are going to love them, I promise. You're going to love them as much as I do. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.